Hello friends and Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel IBOL Designing Developer. My name is Inshal. I am a full stack developer and graphic designer. Today I will show you how to build one doc adoption API in Python. And I hope you will also enjoy this project. I can share my previous projects of Python in data sciences and AI and the React projects and clones also. But first of all, you have to just hit the subscribe button. Then after that, you have to also hit the notification bell from which you will be getting all the notifications of my video when I will be uploading. From that it will be also help for you and it will be also help for me, because from that you will be learning more new things, more new clones, and more new everything like I'll be uploading in future. So from that it will be also help for you. So just now we'll be starting with our doc adoption API which we'll be making in Python. So here in this doc adoption API I've just made one file here in my package. I've just not made because here I've just made in local disk C and taken to this PyCharm text editor here, so I can just define my location. So here you can also make your file in package. Just for that you have to do right click on your package here 2 times, go to new, just select your Python file here, then you can just give your Python file name in .py or just simply write that and just save that. It will be automatically saved. So when you will be doing that, then you have to move to your file and then you have to write some code. So first of all we have to link our file with the original file, then we can work with that. So this is the original file which we are containing codes. So here first of all you have to import numpy here in Python which we have to work with. So here I'll be writing import numpy. So here you can also install that. Just go to terminal, right here pip install numpy, then you can install that. Like I'm telling you, pip install is a command or package. You can also say library which just helps you to just install anything in Python. And you can also install many libraries, packages and many other things in Python with the help of pip install. Because it is only for Python, you can't just use for download anything in React by using this pip install. You can do that by using npm install, like we use npm install to install anything in React. So like that, pip install is used to anything install in Python. If you are working with React, so you can also write npm install to download these things, but these are the different thing from this React. So these things will be not available in React and you can't download that. So there are different things for React. You can install that if you know about React. Now here you can also press shift x save to just hide this terminal, and then you can also press this minimize icon to just do that. So here when you will be hovering on that, so it will be just given the command key of that. So just press shift and S6 key. You can see now it is just hide here. So when you're done with that, just you have to import numpy here. Then if I move, so you can see there it is written define tag. So it is, you don't have to install this tag here because it is a simple tag which we have just already having when we install our PyCharm text editor in Python. Then here I'll be writing many to 1. Then I'll be making this bracket here. Then when you're done with that thing, I'll be doing one thing like I'll be writing this y and writing this semicolon here. I'll be just coming underneath, and when you're done with that thing, just I'll be moving here, writing that to a tag which will be like new y, and here I'll be doing one thing now. Just if I move here, so you can see there it is written numpy dot entry. So here if I do that, here it's written empty. If I show you, yes it is, here it is written empty. Then I'll be writing this bracket here, and then again, and you have to write 0 comma 1. So when you're done with that, now just I'll be coming underneath, writing that to for I in range. So just I'll be writing that. When you've done that, just I'll be moving here, and then I'll be writing that x. And here when you've done that, just I'll be coming here, and you can see there it is written len, and here it is written y. So if I just move, so you can see there it is written in capital. So here I'll be writing, then I'll be writing semicolon and coming underneath, changing that to for j in range. So just I'll be writing that. Then I'll be writing this bracket, and here there is written x in range again. So here I'll be moving that, and when you're done with that, just I'll be writing len. And here if I just come, so you can see there it is written y, and in this square bracket I'll be writing I. So when you're done with that, just I'll be moving here, writing this bracket, and then I'll be writing if, and I'll be giving space here, writing here like I, and here I'll be writing j after this. So you don't have to just make a square bracket in this square bracket, just make it separately here, then just write equal 1. So when you're done with that thing, just you have to do one thing here, like move to this file again, then just write here like semicolon, then you have to come underneath here, and when you're done with that, just you have to write new y equal, then just move here and just write that to like numpy dot, and here just come here, and here you have to just write v stack, then just write this bracket here, then I'll be coming here again, then there it is written like new y. So just write that new y comma I. So when you're done with that, just I'll be moving here, then I'll be just moving here again, then here I'll be writing j because there was just written j. So here when you've done that, just I'll be coming here, writing that to like break Then here I'll be coming underneath, and when you're done with that, just I'll be just coming here by pressing backspace. Then if I move, so you can see there it is written another backspace here. So here I'll be writing return, then giving space here and writing that to like new y. So when you're done with that, just here I'll be doing one thing like moving through this file again. Then you can see there it is written like import, and if I just move, so you can see there it is written import key. So here I'll be writing that dot, and here I'll be just coming and changing that to like ios, and if I just move, so you can see there is written as io. So here I'll be just coming underneath writing that to like x equal siu again. Then if I just move, so you can see there's a load mat. So here I'll be writing that, then I'll be writing this bracket here, changing that to a tag which will be like x scaled. Then here I'll be just writing this, and when you've done that, just I'll be coming here write dot net, and here I'll be just coming, and then when you've done that, just I'll be writing x scaled. So just I'll be writing that now. When you've done with that thing, just I'll be doing one thing like I'll be coming here writing y co dot, and here I'll be writing that to like load mat, and here now I'll be just writing this bracket, changing that to like y dot mat, and here I'll be just writing this, and then I'll be writing y here in capital. So just I'll be now coming underneath and changing that to like y equal convert many to 1. Then here when you've done that, come here, write y, come underneath here again, then just write that to like y equal num b dot, and when you've done that, just I'll be now coming here and changing that to like h stack, and then I'll be writing this bracket again, changing that to like y. So when you've done that, just I'll be coming underneath here, and when you've done with that, just I'll be writing from sklearn. Then if I just move forward, so you can see there it is written like nothing. So here I'll be now erasing that because here it was just not a good tag which we have to define. So now here I will be writing like x train. So just write that here, comma, then I'll be just moving forward, but here I have to don't write these tags here because it is just related to sklearn, and we don't have to just use sklearn in that. So when you've done with that thing, just print that all things which is just written here. So I'll be coming here now, write print, then when you've done that, just I'll be coming here writing that to like training, and here I'll be just moving, then you can see there is the accuracy. So here I'll be writing that. When you've done that all thing, just I'll be moving and writing percent sign here. Then if I just move here, so you can see there it is written dot 2f backslash n. So when you've done with that thing, just I'll be coming here, and then I'll be writing percent sign again. Then I'll be just moving forward here, changing that to like clf dot score. Then when you've done with that thing, just I'll be coming here, and then I'll be writing x train here. So here when you've done that, just here I'll be doing one thing now. I'll be coming here and writing that to like y. Okay, so here I'll be pressing Ctrl Z, just write here like y train. So when you've done with that things, I'll be moving to this file, and you can see there it is written small y. So just I'll be writing that, and I'll be just coming underneath now again, then I'll be writing print, and when you've done with that, just I'll be writing to these things and writing that to like testing, and if I just move forward, so you can see there it is written accuracy again. So here I'll be writing that, and when you're done with that thing, just I'll be moving here, and then I'll be writing that to like percent sign, and here I'll be writing dot 2, and when you've done that, just I'll be coming here f, and I'll be writing backslash n. So when you've done that, I'll be coming here writing that to like percent, then I'll be just moving forward writing that to like clf dot score. Then I'll be just writing this bracket here again. Then if I just move, so you can see there it is written x test. So here I'll be writing that, then I'll be writing comma, and then if I just move forward, so you can see there it is written y test. So when you've done with that thing, just here I'll be now coming underneath, and you can see we have just done with that. So here I'll be pressing backspace now. So just go to file and press save all button, and you can see everything is perfect. You can now work with that. So when you've done with that thing, just I'll be coming here now, then I'll be just coming underneath and closing this file, then moving here, and then I'll be just taking this file to my PyCharm text set. I'll be moving that. Then you can see we are just containing these things in this file. So here I'll be doing one thing now. So now here I'll be just coming, then when you've done with that, okay, so here we have to just first of all calculate. So here I'll be writing 19. Okay, so then it will be just 10, so it will be just 19, then it will be just like 29. Okay, so now it is good. So when you've done with that thing, just I'll be doing one thing now. I'll be going and moving to this file here, which is called this rtf.py. So when you've done with that thing, just here I'll be moving. If I just do that, so just first of all come here, and you can see there it is written same things. Okay, so I'll be now closing this file, and then if I just move here, so just move this file to PyCharm. Okay, so this file contains a different code here which you can just define to work with. So simply I'll be doing one thing now. Here I'll be writing num inputs, means number inputs here. So just I'll be coming here now again. Then I'll be writing num inputs. Then I'll be writing equal, and then moving forward here, changing that to a tag which should be like len, and here I'll be writing x0. So when you're done with that thing, just I'll be coming underneath, and when you're done with that thing, just I'll be writing bs equal, and here I'll be changing that to like classification. So here I'll be writing that, and when you're done with that thing, just I'll be coming here, and then I'll be writing data set. Then here I'll be writing this bracket, and when you're done with that thing, just I'll be writing num inputs, and when you're done with that thing, just I'll be coming here, and then I'll be writing comma 1, and I'll be writing comma again, and when you're done with that, just I'll be writing space, and when you're done with that, just I'll be moving forward writing nb, and I'll be writing classes, and here I'll be just writing equal to, then when you're done with that, just I'll be writing num emotion. So here I'll be writing that, and when you're done with that thing, just here I'll be doing one thing now, just I'll be coming underneath here, and when you're done with that thing, just I'll be writing y equal, then I'll be writing convert many to 1. So when you've done that, just I'll be coming here and writing y. So when you're done with that, just I'll be coming underneath, then I'll be writing that to like for k in range, and when you've done that, just I'll be writing this bracket here, and when you've done with that, just here I'll be writing x, and here when you've done that, just I'll be coming here again, then here I'll be writing len, and here I'll be writing x. So when you've done with that thing, just before that I'll be writing this semicolon, then I'll be just coming underneath here. When you've done with that, just I'll be writing ds add sample, and when you're done with that thing, just I'll be coming here, and then I'll be changing that to like this tag. Here I'll be now writing that to like x. So here I'll be now changing this s to like capital, and now it is done. So when you're done with that, if I move here, so you can see there it is written scaled. So here I'll be writing that. Then if I just move here, so you can see there it is written k again, then I'll be writing comma, and then moving forward, then there it is written y k here. So when you're done with that thing, just here I'll be now coming underneath, and when you're done with that, just here I'll be now writing that to a tag which should be like ds dot, and here I'll be writing this thing, and when you're done with that, just here I'll be writing convert many to 1. So here when you're done with that thing, just I'll be writing this bracket here, and then I'll be just doing one thing now. If I move here, okay, so there is then convert here. So if I just come here, so you can see there it is written like convert to 1, convert to 1 of many. So when you're done with that thing, just I'll be coming here, then there we have to just write a tag which should be just come here again, then write that to like tst data comma, then I'll be just moving forward writing that to like tr and data equal, then when you're done with that, just I'll be coming here writing ds dot split. So just I'll be writing that, and when you're done with that thing, just I'll be coming here writing that to like with propagation. So here I'll be writing that, and when you're done with that thing, just I'll be coming here, then I'll be writing that to like 0.25. So just I'll be writing that. Then if I just move here, so you can see there it is written like 25%, then I'll be moving forward writing test data. So I'll be now coming underneath here, and when you're done with that, just I'll be writing, and here when you've done that, just there is written 36. So here I'll be now coming here, then I'll be writing that to like f and n equal, then I'll be just coming writing that to like build network. So when you've done with that thing, just I'll be writing this two bracket, and when you've done with that thing, just I'll be writing tr and data, then I'll be just coming here, and then I'll be writing dot indim, and here I'll be writing comma again. So when you've done with that thing, just I'll be doing one thing now, moving to this file again, then you can see there it is written 50 comma, then if I just move, so you can see there it is written tr and data dot, and here I'll be just coming, and then I'll be doing one thing like here I'll be writing out name comma, then if I just move, so you can see there it is written like out class. So here I'll be writing that equal, then here I'll be writing soft max. Okay, so here I'll be writing that to like soft max, and here I'll be now coming changing that to a tag which will be like layer, then I'll be now doing one thing like here I'll be coming underneath, and when you're done with that thing, just here I'll be doing like coming underneath here, then I'll be writing that to like trainer equal, then I'll be just coming here and changing that to like backtop. So here I'll be writing that. So when you're done with that thing, just I'll be doing one thing now, I'll be coming here, and then I'll be writing that to like trainer, then I'll be writing this bracket here, and then I'll be coming here writing that to like f and n comma data set. When you're done with that thing, just I'll be coming here writing that to like tr and data comma, then I'll be just moving forward, and you can see there it is written momentum. So here I'll be writing that, then here I'll be writing equal to, and when you're done with that thing, just I'll be writing 0.1 comma, then I'll be just coming here, and you can see there it is written like learning grade. So just if I come here, so here I'll be writing learning grade equal, so here if I just come, so you can see there it is written like 0.1. So here I'll be writing, then right comma here, then there is it written like 0.01. So when you've written that, just I'll be coming here now, then write here this thing, then write true. So when you've done with that things, right comma, move forward, then I'll be writing wait decay. So here I'll be writing equal, then I'll be just coming here writing 0.01, then I'll be just coming underneath here, and when you've done that, just I'll be writing that to a tag which should be like num. So here I'll be writing that to like coaches, and when you've done with that thing, just I'll be coming here now again, and here I'll be writing equal 20. So when you've done with that, just here I'll be doing one thing. Now I'll be coming here writing that to like for I in range, then I'll be just moving forward, and here it is written num approaches again. So here I'll be writing that. So when you've done with that thing, just here I'll be writing this to colon, and coming underneath writing that to like error equal, then I'll be just moving forward writing that to like trainer. So just I'll be writing that like dot train. So here I'll be now writing this to bracket, and when you've done that, just I'll be coming here writing that to like print. So just I'll be writing print, and when you've done that, just I'll be coming here writing that to like coach. So just I'll be writing and moving forward there, then there it is written like %d. So here I'll be now moving forward again, then there it is written like error. So here I'll be writing that, and when you're done with that things, here I'll be just writing this, and then I'll be writing %7, then I'll be just moving forward, and here it is written .4f. Then when you're done with that, I'll be moving forward here and writing %sign, then I'll be just moving forward again writing here like I dot error. So here I'll be now doing one thing like that. So when you're done with that, there it is written comma. So here I'll be writing that, and then I'll be giving a space here. So you can see we have done with that. So here now I'll be just coming writing that to like error calculation. So just write that, and you can see we have just defined that all things. So when you're done with that, just you have to say where, and now it is done. So now here if I just show you, it should be just ready our dog adoption API. So it was just small project here, because here we have to just only set our API. If it should be like API key, we have to just measure, then it will be take some time, but here we have to just only see what is our API. So you can now run that and check that. So here I'll be running, and so when you will be doing that, then it will be just coming good, and you have to just make one Python file. It will be extracting your data, then it will be take some loading, and then your API will be just ready. It will be showing your API at front of your screen. So if we have to just take out the API key, so like I'm telling you, it will be take some time to just make like 1 hour to 30 minutes. It will be taken to work with that, but we have to just set, and we have to just take the API here from the doc adoption. So we have to do that, and we have done that here. So when you will be doing that, it will be extracting data from the PDF file of our doc adoption API, that will be given the API of that. So you can see like that, you can just build your own doc adoption API project in Python. So I hope you understand this project, and I hope you also enjoy this project. Like our previous projects of like Python and many other languages, and React clones and projects also, which I have just already uploaded. So practice at all project we are working with, and I hope you'll be good for cover of that. So just I'll be meeting you next project for clones for today. Goodbye.